RJ? No, you're so high. Oh, there he is.
Not enough.
What?
He's had enough. Feels bad all the time.
You not want to play now, RJ?
They call our number.
You not want to play?
Bye.
What? You not want to play now? Why?
I do not want to. Bye.
There is Mac Burrito. There's Daddy Mac Burrito. There's eggs and bacon. Yes. Here, let's eat. Mac Burrito. First the bacon. There. Yummy. Hi, yeah.
There.
Here we are after McDonald's.
Mommy.
We going to Best Buy. We fix the computer
Mommy.
and the Geek Squad. Why?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Put on this hat.
Careful, RJ. Okay, we're here again. He's just walking. Here's RJ. Come here, RJ. Now, RJ. Wave, RJ. Wave. Yay! Here's Home Depot. Okay, that's it. Here's the Home Depot there.
The bushes we should have bought. Taylor,
What, Daddy?
straight ahead. We should
Yeah.
have got those bushes.
RJ, come here.
Long walk.
Where's the Best Buy now? I not
Over
see.
there. It's only one.
Oh. The sad here. Yeah. There is Best Buy. Best Buy store.
I don't know how we cross this one.
Just run.
That's when we go back, right there.
Yeah, there.
And Garf's in.
Yeah. Here is RJ. RJ, wave RJ. Okay. Careful, ha, the car, RJ. There he is. A Target there. And look like this Best Buy. This now, Hannah.
Yep.
Oh, this is the Best Buy. Oh. Pit Mark there. And here, Shoe Carnival. RJ. There you go again. You hiding, RJ? Are you hiding? is Best Buy now. Okay, sign up. We go inside. Where is Best Buy? Okay. There is the big store. Okay, we go now. We done in.
Best Buy.
Yay, you done in Best Buy. RJ, we go walk again. Here's RJ. 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 No.
We got about 50 pairs, but only like 2 pair fit.
Okay, we go back now in Honda place.
Honda. Not the Honda. That's wrong.
Because have there the car, they fixing.
No, that's wrong. Not the Honda.
What's that there?
Honda.
Yeah, it's okay. That Honda place, Honda.
No, that's wrong.
What's wrong? Okay, good now. We're walking here. Okay, we're here now in Honda. Honda place. There it is, Honda. That's us? I not know. Oh, they clean up. RJ, come here, RJ. Okay, here he is. Where's RJ? RJ, we go home now, RJ. There we go, RJ. Yes, finished now. The car fixed. Okay, here is car. Okay, go inside.
Hi.
Here he is. What you buy in Best Buy, RJ?
Surprise.
Surprise! What's that, RJ? What is it?
Camera.
No, it's not camera. It's a captured card for your gaming, RJ. Your gaming. And next, what you got, RJ?
Rocket League.
Wow, wow, other. PS4, RJ, for games.
I probably had now 20 games.
Yeah, so many now, RJ.
Rocket League.
In the front, show mom in the
Yeah.
front.
Rocket League. You need to
Yeah, you like that?
There's the orange team and there's the blue team. If
Yeah.
you're on the blue team, you have to kick.
You see that in season, Drew?
You have to, yeah.
You watching?
And you need to kick the ball into the orange team net or the blue team net because it makes a team.
Yeah.
Rocket League.
Rocket League. Nice,
Look at that
RJ.
Yating card.
What's that? Show mommy. I
That-
cannot see.
You know,
What?
there's weapons in this game,
Really?
but you can buy them. Oh, you need to buy them. It costs $1,000 bucks.
1,000 bucks. Na, bye-bye.
Bye.